What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Graceful Beauty. I am back here again with a bomb. I saw the power of makeup from Youkeyy. Yeah, she's also a YouTuber. So when I watched it, it's kind of funny because a lot of people sometimes be nasty with words and saying that you just wear makeup because you are insecure of your beauty. Some guys out there try to make us look like we are fraudsters. They call makeup artists fraudsters. They call us con artists. We need to do this, do that, do this. Hey, that's not true. As for me, I see it as an art. Makeup is an art. Only enhances your beauty. It doesn't change you. Your neck is your face is lighter. Hey, can you shut up for 1 second and listen? I am hyper pigmented. I have hyper pigmentation. When we match our foundation, we match our foundation according to our skin, our body, not whatever you think. Let's just head right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna go in is to just moisturize my face. I'm gonna use this my Mario Babyskin skincare. Prime the face up. Okay, it's time we're doing just half of the face. Huda Beauty and Mocha, yeah, 500G. With my Elegant Pro Concealer in Toffee. Cream contour, I'm going in with my black opal. Blend it first and then you take it upwards. To set it, I'm gonna set it using my Sacha buttercup powder. It's all over the face. A Maybelline powder to just set the whole of my face with it. I'm gonna use my brow pencil. We're gonna start off. I use my NYX brow gel to fill in the brow. The brows are done. I'm going with my concealer in Toffee, so I'm just going to use it to prep the eyes. I'm going to set it with my translucent powder. I'm gonna go in with this orange, then I'll go in with, after orange I go in with a yellow, and then to deepen it up I'm gonna go in with this brown here. My Makeup Revolution in C1 to cut the crease. Taking this node here just to set the cut crease. To enhance the blue more, I'm gonna go in with this blue here. This brown here, and then we're just going to just smoke it out. So I'm going to use my Eyman powder in shade F medium. Contour my face using my NW58. for the blush, I'll be going in with my blush from Profusion, and I'm taking in this 2 shades right here. So I'm gonna use 2 highlighters, and one is from the Warriors palette, this one right here. The one will be coming from my Zulu palette too, and I'm taking this one here, just to add a little bit of glow more. So wear this. This slip is from Nickak, New York. And there you have it, beauties. Is the power of makeup. I am not saying that you shouldn't be satisfied with your natural beauty. I just want you to know that makeup is fun and it's used to enhance yourself. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye. Mwah, mwah.